everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell, obviously by the title, I'm going to be doing a new updated hair tutorial video for you all. I recently got hair extensions a few months ago, so ever since then I've been doing my hair pretty differently. Obviously, I have never had tape and hair extensions before, so it kind of took me a while to get used to it and find what I liked now that I have long hair. I honestly love these hair extensions way more than I thought I would. I didn't want to love them as much as I do because now I'm kind of addicted to them. If you're interested in what kind they are Locally, which is a local company near my hometown, so I will link all their info down below if you're interested in checking them out. It really is great quality hair, and I love that I'm able to do so many more styles now that I never could do before when I kind of had my medium length hair. So if you want to see how I now get these big, loose, voluminous curls, then just keep watching. Alright, so to start, I am just starting off with my hair just naturally kind of air dried. Right out of the shower, I went and put this on. It is the r+co Park Ave Blowout Balm. Even though I didn't blow dry my hair today, I knew I was going to be applying heat to it using my curling iron. So I wanted some kind of heat protector, so that's what this did. So next, I'm noticing that my hair is just feeling a little more dry than usual, so I'm going to apply some oil to my ends just to make them a bit more smooth and kind of keep them nice and hydrated. I've been really trying to be gentle with my hair, especially since they are extensions. I want to take as good of care of them as I can, which will help with my extensions but also my natural hair. So I'm going in with that surface bassu oil. Any kind of hair oil will work, and I just apply a little bit to the palms of my hands and then just apply them just right on the ends just to make sure that they're nice and hydrated. And then I'm going to go and just section off my hair. I like to do one half at a time, so I'm just going to throw these ones back. Alright, so how I style my hair now is I use a curling iron. Before I was using a straightener, but I found that with my hair extensions, using a straightener to curl, it was just kind of tugging on them a little more than I wanted, and I found that using my curler, I didn't get any tugging or pulling. So this is the Baybliss Pro ceramic curling iron. It's just kind of your basic curler. I believe this is a 1¼ inch. So what I do is I start my sections at the back, and I do fairly large sections because I want my hair to kind of look nice and full and have lots of volume to it, so I want the waves to be nice and big and loose. So I'm starting with my section about this big, and the way I like to do it is I just section my hair, and then I take my curler and I just clamp it close to the top, not right at the root, but not like halfway down, kind of somewhere in the middle between like halfway and the root. That makes sense. And then I start to curl it. So I like to give it one full curl, hold it there for a second, and then just kind of loosen up that clamp and then curl it back up. And then I just do that until I get to the bottom, and then I'll loosen it up. And I usually like to leave about 2 inches at the bottom. And then I just release it like that. So you'll have some nice kind of tight waves or curls. So I usually like to just let that cool, and then I will kind of style them at the end. So for this next piece, I kind of like to alternate my curls between going away from my face and towards my face. I just find it just gives my waves and curls just a bit more dimension to it and almost makes my hair look fuller. So for this one, I'm going to go towards my face. So this time I want the clamp facing behind me, like that, and then I will roll it towards my face. So I'll do one full roll, leave it there for a second, and then move it on down and roll it on up. I also like to alternate between some bigger pieces and smaller pieces. I don't want my curls to be the exact same every time. I kind of like having a bit more of like a random look. And then this piece I'm going to go towards my face, and the rest of the sections I'm going to go away from my face. I always like to make sure that the pieces closest to my face are going away, so then it kind of frames my face nicer. Now my hair has set and cooled, and now I'm going to add some product to it to kind of give it a bit more volume and just kind of give it a bit more life. So I'm first going to go in and just kind of set those curls even more using my Orbe superfine hairspray. I like this hairspray because it's lightweight, so you can still like run your fingers through your hair and it won't get like crunchy or anything, but enough that it will give you some hold. And then I'm going to go in with my Ouai hair care texture spray. And I like to apply this mostly on like the strands of my hair, not so much on my roots. I also like to then kind of go and kind of just mess up the top of my hair so it gets a bit more volume up here. Sometimes I will like throw my hair to the side to get like a bit more of like a side swept look, or I'll part it right in the middle. I kind of play with it from here. And then I usually like to kind of brush my fingers through my hair even more. So sometimes, depending on my mood, I will leave it like this, kind of more like a piecey, beachy look. But sometimes when I want more of those like big Hollywood kind of hair, I will brush it out using, ooh, this is full of my hair. I will brush it out using a boar hair bristle brush, and this just really smooths out my curls. To brush out my curls, I only ever use a boar hair bristle brush because I find that it just helps my hair look smoother, and it just makes it really soft to the touch and makes my curls almost feather-like. Then I'm just going to quickly spray that side so there's no flyaways. So as you can see, by doing like the exact same curls, you get two totally different effects. This side is more like piecey, messy, beachy, and this side is more kind of like those like Hollywood glamour waves, I guess you could call them. That's the feel I get from them, at least. I feel very Hollywood when I have my hair like this. So I'm going to go and brush out this side. Have it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys got a few helpful tips and tricks from it. I have been absolutely loving my new extensions and wearing my hair this way. It just gives me so many more options. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!